Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get the date if we know the experience of a person. So here, as you can see, I have written two persons experience. Like person A is having 3.8 years of experience, and person B is having 4.1 of years of experience. So to get the date, we have to apply a formula here. So the formula is equals to E date bracket today, and we're going to open and close the bracket, and the total number of months that we have to reduce to get the date. Like 3.8 years means 3 years means 36 months in 8 plus 8 months. So 36 8 it's 44 months. So we will be going to minus the subtract the 44 months from today's date. So the formula is saying that we are applying E date formula, and we are subtracting 44 months from today. By just entering, we will get the date here. The date is February 24, 2020. You can change the format from this format section, and for now I'm going to keep it as it is. Let me show you how it is done. How it is done one more time. So you have to write formula E date bracket today bracket open close minus total months we have to remove. Okay, we have to subtract. So 4.1 month is 49 months. We have to subtract it, close the bracket, then enter. So this is the date this person has started his career. Okay, similarly, you can also check the date in future. Like if you can write E date bracket today open close comma. If you want to see the future dates, then you have to add the month. You have to check like what will be the date if after 55 months. Let's see. So after 55 months, the date would be May 24th, 2028. So this is how you can check the back date and the date in future. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.